Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to a new video. We're trying to get a webcam up in here, but it's not working for some reason.
Just put it over there.
Yeah.
Alright.
Maybe it works. We don't know. We actually reached level 16. Let's go.
Let's
We're
play.
playing Arsenal, and the game is almost over, so we'll just let this finish, and then let him play. Wow, 248 damage. Is that the same guy? Coming at you at another time. That's probably not because that was really fast.
Yeah. But
Yeah.
got the Jordan merch on right now. You know how it is.
Look at that. Stuff on. Here, we balling.
Oh man. Alright. Since we got to the end, I'm gonna play it. Cause yeah.
You probably didn't hear that because I don't know why, but the webcam isn't really working. But
It's fine. We'll fix it sometime.
yeah,
I don't know, just sometime.
it's something.
But we're gonna make so many more. Yeah, and we're probably gonna make more tonight. We might stay up to like tomorrow making stuff because now we got a freaking mouse, dude. It's so good. I love it.
It's so much better.
It's Apple. It's like a MacBook mouse. I keep on saying mice.
And then also, I'm not trying to make 50 a day, but like, it's fun making them. I do like, maybe whenever you're like watching people, you're like watching small YouTubers and you like what they make. You're like, why? And plus,
I got electric.
I mean, like I like the videos, but why do they make so many a day? I promise you, whenever you get started and try to do it, it is so fun. And you just want to do it like every second. You're just like so excited
Yeah.
and ready.
You're like, oh, I got this,
And
or
the
I know
reason-
how to do this now.
And the reason why big YouTubers make like one a day or like one every 2 days, or like even like Russo 2 a day. The reason why they do that is because it takes a long time to edit. Like it takes them like 6 hours to edit. Us, we just let it go bland. We don't care.
Yeah. I want to try to edit it,
Yeah.
like maybe because we want an intro. Rylan's been wanting an intro because he saw this guy that
that was like one of my fans is. He's
Mhm.
like comment on one of my videos and like the video. So I was like, okay, let me just go check his videos out. And here's a really cool intro that I was going on. If you want to go see his channel, then go into the Roblox jailbreak one and go down in the comments. Whatever it's called. And then go press on this icon. Go on the chat and then go press on the icon. And then you bring it to his YouTube channel. And yeah.
ooh, I think he just replied to us.
Yeah, he just replied to us.
Um,
I probably can't see it right now. But yeah.
and you might, if we do a live, which I don't know how to do, or
We kind of do know how to do it.
Yeah.
We have to like do all this other stuff. But like we're not trying to do it. Maybe not tonight. Maybe tonight.
You have to go look in the chat. He just replied.
Yeah.
And if you
but-
go subscribe to his channel,
Yeah, please go subscribe to
Yeah.
his channel.
please.
That helps a lot. I only have 8 subscribers. Hopefully I'll get up to 10 by the end of the month.
I thought I had lightning or something. Oh, was that? I think that's the thing. Okay. Oh, there you are. Oh, he just blended in with the rocks because of his head.
And guys, tell me your favorite thing in the comments.
I am
In
magician.
the chat.
See, I got lightning. That's what
Yeah,
I thought I
hopefully
was
someday
saying.
if we get a face cam.
Yeah.
20 times million times better. And hopefully I get my
Definitely.
own. And also
Bro,
hopefully,
How,
and also
bro?
hopefully I get my own laptop. Or not my own laptop, my own actual computer. Whenever I get that plan, so I can make more videos and better like content in general. Better audio, better games. Well, not better games, but like, these games are awesome. But I mean, like it won't be as laggy. If it is laggy, I don't think there is. Hey, oh, watch out
Can I
for
kill
her.
her? No. Got her. I got
Yeah,
her.
yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay. There you go.
Oh, one channel's a button now. I didn't notice.
For real, I've just been talking the whole time.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to play, to be honest. It's kind of hard to play and talk at the same time.
Yeah.
Because you kind of want to focus.
Alright.
Yep, okay, the noob just won, which is a pro, actually. Level 76. She was just like GG in the chat. Saying GG. Let's do Dizzy. Standard 2 teams. No problem. SWAT. Okay, stop singing it. Stop singing it.
Because it's an app.
You probably can't hear it, but they're playing the box in the background. It's really dope. Okay, and then we're about to do some other stuff after this. Okay, come on, come on. Where you at? Where you at? This is me playing, actually. If y'all didn't know yet. Because we switched. Oh yeah, my cousin has a beanie that has like headphones inside of it, and my brother really wants to hang out, like use it. I don't know why, but I did better earlier. Don't you know how you do stuff and then you like get like it just feels like you're getting worse? It's weird. Like, hopefully I can get a kill sometime soon. Come on, they must be over here, right? Bruh, where they at? Bruh. I thought that was one of them. I would have head smacked them. Did I just say head smacked? My cousin's playing music in the background. Okay, turn that off. Bro, cause then they can't hear me. Yeah, play it. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, I was doing good, dude. Hopefully I got the assist. Yes, sir. Glad you got 4 kills. Yeah. Woo! This music is fire. Hopefully we can't get copyright for that. Cause I actually don't think we're a big enough channel to get copyrighted or anything. Cause I really don't think YouTube really cares about us anyways. Yeah. We're just like, oh, another wannabe. Another wannabe PewDiePie. Another wannabe Mr. Beast. And I'm like, bro, really? You gotta call me that? Gotta call me out like that? I'm like, bro, really? Boom, I'm popping off, I'm popping off. Oh. I was really about to say we're cranking 90s in Arsenal, but that's stupid. Ah. Boom. 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 How did I not kill him? Oh, not him, the froggy guy. Oh, shoot. Oh, let's go. I got that assist.
Let's check a thing after this game.
Yeah, I'm gonna check that my guy's comment. Well, my guy's thing in the... Dude, there's so many enemies. There's so many enemies. Hey, this music is fire. Ooh, you just jumped in. Ooh, ooh. Come on. Ooh.
Oh, that was like...
Yeah, there was like... Yeah, everyone was in there. Here, turn that down. Some. Put it how it was that, like... Yeah, they... Come on now. Ooh, froggy boy. Oh, he just demolished me. But I thought I was doing bad, and I have, like, more kills than my cousin did. Because I just popped off at one time, and I got all the assists. I, like, shot, like, 5 people, and then all of them just got, like, assists. What? I'm at 3 health now? Nah, I was a one-shot. I was a front stab. 1 front stab. And that's, like hardly any damage. I was at 3. Come on, Froggy. Work with me. Come on, other Froggy. Okay. Ace Pilot, I hate you. Ooh, Ace Pen, I got revenge, huh? I got a revenge, huh? Bop, 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 bop. How did he hit me? How did she hit me? I said he, but then it was a she. Oh, I shouldn't be laughing now. I used to be wearing that skin all the time because I was like, well, I'm Rylan, so why not Rylan? Why not Rylan?
How would we go to it if it's pull up a tab on YouTube?
Oh, I'll show you. He's asking me, how do I go to his like, what he said in the chat? I'm telling him, we just have to go to the video and just press on it. Oh no, oh no, dang, she better win again. Bop, bop. Oh no, that's her. Oh, let's go. No, that's the Froggy, No! Oh, that's like the worst thing that could possibly happen, dude. Okay, well, peace out, guys. See you in the next video, actually. This one was really fun. So, yeah. So, GG. Bye.